Macbeth. Welcome to our channel Educational Enjoy. It's part 2, and do like, share and subscribe our channel Educational Enjoy. It's me Sanya, and we have came with the part 2 act 3 scene 1. Macbeth, now go to the door and stay there till we call. वहीं पे रहना जब तक हम तुम्हें नहीं बुलाते. दरवाजे पर ही रहना जब तक हम तुम्हें नहीं बुलाते. Now go to the door and stay there until I call you. It will be we call you. It's written wrong over here and it is completely edited by someone else, and I am reading that only today. Always I only do the editing part, but for Macbeth and Hindi literature poem explanation, I use some other things to explain. That's why these many messages are coming. Macbeth, was it not yesterday we spoke together? Macbeth, wasn't it yesterday that we last spoke? क्या वो कल था जब हमने एक दूसरे के साथ बात किया था? First murderer. It was. So please your highness. It was your highness मतलब हाँ highness कल ही हमने बात किया था. Your highness means the king. Macbeth, well then now, have you considered of my speeches? Know that it was he, in the times past, which held you so under fortune, which you thought had been our innocent self. This I made good to you in our last conference, passed in probation with you. How you were blown in hand, how crossed the instruments, who wrought with them, and all things else that might to half a soul and to a notice graced. Say, thus did Banquo. So then, have you thought about what I said? क्या तुमने सोचा था कि मैंने क्या बोला था? You must know that it was Banquo who made your lives miserable for so long. तुम सबको जानना चाहिए कि वो कौन था. वो बैंक्यू था जो कि तुम लोग का जिंदगी खराब कर दिया. You thought I did it, but I was innocent. तुम ये सोचे थे कि मैंने वो किया है, पर मैंने तो किया ही नहीं था. मैं कुछ नहीं जानता था इसके बारे में. I told you all about it when we last met. मैंने सब कुछ बता दिया था इसके बारे में जब हमने लास्ट मुलाकात किए थे. And showed you proof how you were trickled and deceived by agents who did the dirty work. और फिर कैसे ही वो एजेंट्स थे जिन्होंने इतनी खराब चीज़ें की हैं. एंड हु दे वर वर्किंग विथ, किसके साथ वो लोग काम कर रहे थे. एंड इनफ अदर डिटेल्स दैट इवन अ हाफ विट वुड से बैंक्यू डिड इट. कि जो इतना मतलब डिटेल्स में बताया उसने कि हर कुछ उस बैंक्यू के अगेंस्ट में चला गया. First murderer, you made it known to us. मतलब तुमने हमें सच्चाई बताई. You made it known to us. Macbeth. I did so and went further, which is now our point of second meeting. Do you find your patience so predominant in your nature that you can let this go? Are you so gall-spelled to pray for this good man and for his issue was heavy and hath brought you to grave and braggart yours forever? I did that more, which leads me to the point of second meeting. हमें एक और बार मिलना चाहिए. Is your nature so forgiving that you don't feel the need of for revenge? क्या तुम ऐसे ही हो कि तुम nature means over here the character. तुम्हारा जो कैरेक्टर है क्या वो ऐसा ही है कि तुम को बदला नहीं लेना है? Are you so religious that you didn't pray for this good man and his children? क्या तुम ऐसे ही हो? क्या तुम इतने ही अच्छे हो कि तुमने इसके बच्चों के लिए और इसके लिए भगवान से प्रार्थना नहीं किया था? When he's forced you into early grave and made your entire family beggars, जब इसने तुम्हारे पूरे परिवार को ख़त्म कर दिया और फिर भीख मांगने तक की या स्थिति आ गई. First murderer, we are men, we like. We are men, my lord. Means हम पुरुष हैं मेरे राजा. My lord over here doesn't means the god. In last video also I said, and now also I'm saying, it doesn't means the god, it means the king. Macbeth. In my catalog, the word catalog usually means जब मैरिज विडो, जब किसी को शादी के लिए चाहिए रहता है, लड़का लड़की लोगों को मिलना रहता है, सब कुछ मैरिज विडो प्लान करता है. द कैटलॉग ऑल्सो मीन्स दैट. As bound and grey hounds, mongrel spaniels, cures, slogs, water rugs, and demi-vols are clubbed, all by the name of dogs. The valued files distinguishes the swift, the slow, the subtle, the housekeeper, the hunter, everyone according to the gift which bounteous nature hath in him closed, whereby he does receives particular addition from the bill that writes them all alike. And so of men. Now if you have a station in the file, not vast rank of manhood said, and I will put that business in your bosoms, whose execution takes your enemy off, grapples you to the heart and love of us, who wear your health but sicky in his life, which in death were perfect. Yes, you are part of species called men, just hounds and greyhounds, mongrels, spaniels, mutes, saggy lapdogs, saggy water dogs, and half-walls are all dogs, but you can distinguish Which of these dogs are fast, slow, or clever? Which catch watchdogs? And which ones hunters? यहाँ पे ना डिफरेंट टाइप्स का वो डॉग्स का नाम ले रहा है जो कि इन देयर बिहेवियर में वो लोग कैसे हैं. दे ऑल आर नॉट सेम. बहुत कोई डॉग होता है कि खाता है सो जाता है, उठता है खाता है सो जाता है. बहुत कोई डॉग्स होते हैं कि उठता है, अपना मालिक का ध्यान रखता है, भाई मालिक के ऊपर जो कोई हमला करेगा उसके ऊपर हमला कर देगा, वो वैसा होता है. बहुत कोई होता है कि हमलावर नहीं होता है, वो छोड़ देता है. You can describe each dog based on natural gifts that separate and make it different from the general qualities that define a dog. It's the same with men. तुम उनके बीच में डिफ्रेंशिएट उनके कैरेक्टर से ही कर सकते हो, तो वैसे ही एक मैन को भी तुमको डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है. Now if you stand in the list of men in some position that isn't down at very bottom ranks, say so, because then I will tell you a secret plan that will get rid of your enemy and bring you closer to me. तुमको मैं ऐसा ही एक प्लान बताऊंगा जिससे तुम अपने दुश्मन से बदला भी ले सकोगे और तुम लोग मेरे करीबी भी कहलाओगे. As long as certain man lives, I am sick. His death would cure me. अगर वो मैन मतलब बैंक्यू जिंदा रह जाता है तो फिर मैं बीमार पड़ जाऊंगा, और फिर अगर वो मर जाता है मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगा. Second murderer. I am one, my leg, whom the vile blows and buffets of the world have so incensed that I am reckless what I do to spite the world. My lord, I am a man who has gotten so angry from beating that the world has given me. मुझे जो दुनिया ने दिया है मैं उसके ऊपर इसीलिए गुस्सा हो गया हूँ. That I don't care what I do. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं उसका केयर ही नहीं करता. First murderer. And I another, so weary with disasters and tugged with fortune that I would set my life on any chance to mount it or rid on it. अब यहाँ पे मैकबेथ जो कर रहा है ना भाई, वो खुद मर्डर नहीं कर रहा, पर वो चाहता है कि ये मर्डरस जो है वो मर्डर कर दे थ्रू दिस केस की. बैंक्यू माइट भी उसने नहीं किया होगा, सब कुछ मैकबेथ ने ही किया होगा, बिकॉज वन लाइन इट इज सेइंग दैट I was innocent, but you all thought that I did it, but I was innocent. Bank you did it. I show all the proofs to you all. ठीक है, ये भी एक लाइन कहा गया था. उस लाइन के ही थ्रू पता चल रहा है जो ये तीनों मर्डरर का जो भी हानि हुआ है ना, सब कुछ मैकबेथ ने किया है. पर बैंक्यू को वो रस्से से हटाना चाहता था, तो उसने इन तीनों के माइंडसेट से बहुत लंबा एक गेम खेला है. And I another, so weary with disasters, tugged with fortune that I would set my life on any chance to mend it or rid on it. I am also so sick or bad luck and being at mercy of fate, I didn't risk everything for a chance to either fix my life or end. मैं भी अभी ऐसा ही सिचुएशन में हूँ कि मुझे भी एक चांस चाहिए कि मैं अपना ज़िंदगी को बना सकूँ या फिर ख़त्म कर दे सकूँ. Macbeth, of you both of you? No, Banquo was your enemy, both of you. No, Banquo was your enemy. Both murderers. True, my lord. Yes, my lord. मतलब हम जान चुके हैं कि अभी बैंक्यू ही हमारा एनिमी है, दुश्मन है. Macbeth, so he is mine, and in such bloody distance that every minute of his trust against my nearest of, and though I could with barefaced power sweep him from my sight and bid my avalanche it, yet I must not, for certain friends that are both his and mine, whose loves I may not drop but rail his fall, who I myself struck down, and hence it is that I do your assistance to make love, masking the business from the common eye for sundry weighty reason. His also mine, and to such a degree that every minute he is alive threatens my own well-being. Through as a king I could just use my raw power to destroy him. मैं एक राजा की तरह अपना पावर यूज़ करके उसका ज़िंदगी बर्बाद कर सकता हूँ. I can't do that because we have mutual friends whom I need. मतलब हमारे पास हम दोनों के फ्रेंड्स एक ऐसा फ्रेंड्स है जो कि हमारे कॉमन फ्रेंड्स है, और मुझे वो लोग का साथ चाहिए, तो इसीलिए मैं नहीं कर सकता ये चीज़. I have to be able to grieve and cry over his death. मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि वो मर जाए, और रो रो के मैं ये चाहता हूँ. Even though I am one who will have killed him, फिर भी मैं एक ऐसा ही हूँ जो कि उसको मारना चाहता हूँ. So that's why I have come to you asking your help. इसीलिए मैं तुम्हारे पास आया हूँ तुमसे मदद मांगने के लिए. I have to hide my real plans from public eye for a variety of important reasons. मैं सबसे ये चीज़ छुपाना चाहता हूँ. मैं पूरे पब्लिक मतलब कि आम जनता से ये सब बातें छुपाना चाहता हूँ फॉर मैनी इम्पॉर्टेंट रीजंस. बहुत सारे मुख्य कारण हैं, इसीलिए. Second murderer, we shall, my lord, perform that you command us. We will do what you command, my lord. हम वो करेंगे जो आप हमें आज्ञा दोगे, राजा जी. First murderer, through our lives मतलब हम अपनी ज़िंदगी देने को तैयार हो गए हैं. Macbeth, your spirit shines through you. Within this hour at most, I will advise you where to plant yourself, acquaint you with the perfect spy, oath, time, the moment on it, for trust be done tonight, and something from the place always through thought that I require a clearness, and with him to leave no robes nor bunches in the work. Priance, his son, that keeps him company, whose absence is no material to me than is his father's, must embarrass the fate of that dark hour. Resolve yourselves apart. I will come to you, Ion. Your resolve shines in your eyes. मतलब तुम जो अब करना चाह रहे हो वो तुम्हारी आंखों में दिख रहा है. Within the hour, I will tell you where to go. 1 घंटे के अंदर मैं तुम्हें बता दूंगा कहाँ जाना है. And advise you about exactly when to strike. और मैं ये भी बता दूंगा कि तुम्हें कब मारना है उसे. Always keep in mind that I must be free from suspension. और ये दिमाग में रखना कि मेरा नाम कहीं पे भी नहीं आना चाहिए. For the job to be done right, you must kill both Banku and his son who is with him. तुम्हें दोनों को ही मार देना चाहिए, बैंक्यू और उसके सुपुत्र फ्रियांस को. फ्रियांस whose absence is as important to me as his fathers must also die during that dark hour. क्लियंस भी मर जाना चाहिए और उसका पापा बैंक्यू भी. Each of you should decide for yourself whether you will do this. I will come to you soon. Both murderers were resolved, my lord. We will do it, my lord. Macbeth, I will call upon you straight abide within. I will call you soon. Wait for me in the another room. मैं तुम्हें जल्दी ही बुला लूँगा, मेरे लिए रुकना दूसरे रूम में. Macbeth, it's concluded. Banquo's thy soul fight. If it find heaven, must find it out tonight. It's settled then, Banku, tonight, when our soul will learn whether it's going to heaven or hell. Thank you for watching Educational Enjoy. Please do like, share and subscribe.